Hey guys, Nick with Sports Cars Grading. Today we have our last pack of Topps Chrome update. We appreciate you joining us. We're looking for Paul Skeens, Churio, whatever we can get out of here. But first, check out the listing in our TikTok shop. We have 10-pack of penny sleeves, popular listing, great deals, so check it out there. But first, let's dive into this pack here. All right, starting with Michael Kopech, CJ Abrams, a Wyatt Langford X-Fractor, not bad. And a wave to end it. Not too bad. So we appreciate you guys joining us today. This is what it looks like, perfect fit in the penny sleeve. So check us out in our next video. We will see you next time.